Good afternoon from India House, the Indian High Commission in London. Got some topical news right in, fresh off the press. There's an Indian flag out here that's flying outside the High Commission because there's been a lot of protests lately. A lot of things have been going on, and some guy took down the India flag and they've replaced it now with a big flag. Some guy actually broke glass here as well, but I'm not sure which side it was actually broken on. The police now have put these barriers in place to make sure that no one gets through, and because there was a bit of a tit for tat actually going on because of the action that happened here. Then the Indian authorities in Delhi removed the security from the UK embassy as well, and so security was upgraded here. Even though, actually, having said that, now there were a couple of police officers here in this area, but there's none here. But there are some actually right in the main entrance. They're standing there right in the doorway. There's one going in there, and there's another one just a bit further up. So yeah, they're protecting the High Commission from any untoward action. But it's the flag is flying actually. There, that's the one that they put on, the government put on after that. And now they've got some barbed wire there as well. You can see it. There is some barbed wire. And quite a historic building. The High Commission's been there for ages, but there's been a lot of action lately. Too many shenanigans going on, too much nonsense going on lately, and they've actually managed to secure it. And they put barbed wire actually where the guy climbed on and took the flag down. That's the new flag that the High Commission have put up. Still, there's a couple of police officers outside, and that's the response to for the one that was taken down. And it's amazing actually that the scenes that have actually happened in the past few days, the protests that have been going on. But it's all calm here now, and hopefully it stays that way as well. No more of this nonsense, please. It's a great city of ours, and all of this that goes on actually is not really good for the capital city, is not really good for anything.